Hey everyone, I'm Aaron from Low and Slow Basics, and today I'm going to show you the new Masterbuilt gravity-fed 560 series smoker. But before we go any further, make sure that you've subscribed to our channel because we're going to be doing a lot of cooks on this, and you're definitely going to want to see it because these things are an absolute game changer. So I'm going to show you how easy this thing is to use. So all we need to do is we'll turn it on. You've got your control panel here. So you've got your temperature display there. Temperature there, Bluetooth connectivity, timer, and your probe. You can have up to 4 probes. So what we want to do is we want to set our temperature. So we're going to wind that dial all the way up to 450. We're going to do a pork belly today. It can go all the way up to 700. So we're going to set it there. You can hear the fan kicking in. So what we need to do now is get it going. Right, so we've got a kill switch on this door. So as you can hear, the fan's just cut out now. There's the kill switch. So we're going to load it up with some olive pips. And then we're going to put a fire lighter in. Alright, so our charcoal's sitting just here. So what we're going to do now is we're going to push our fire lighter in. And light it up. Alright, so what we need to do now is we need to just wait for that charcoal that's sitting down the bottom there to catch light a bit. And then we'll shut the door, that fan will kick back in and it'll slowly climb up to that temperature that we've set. So yeah, we'll come back when it's ready. Right, one last thing we need to do is take them out. So they block the airflow that goes from the fan up into the chimney and then into the cooking chamber. So make sure you take them out, otherwise your fire's not going to get going very well. Alright, so I've just shut the door because our briquettes have caught a light. You can hear that fan's cut in. So that's going to keep blowing air until it comes up to its target temperature. Then it's going to hold steady from there. So it's just going to cut that fan in and out as it gets around that temperature. It's just going to hold that temperature using that fan. So we'll come back and get the pork belly on once we've got to our 450 degree Fahrenheit target temperature. Alright, so while we're waiting for this to come up to temperature, I'm going to give you a quick rundown. So it's a fully temp controlled unit. It's the first of its kind because it's all in one. You can get up to 700 degrees Fahrenheit in about 13 minutes or 250 degrees Fahrenheit in about 7 minutes. So you can fill your hopper up with briquettes like we have done today or lump charcoal. You can mix your wood chunks in the hopper itself, or you can put your wood chunks in the ash pan below. It's got Wi-Fi, so you can be out and about, you can be at work or asleep, and you can see exactly what your temperatures are doing. You can see the internal temperature of your meat. You can turn your smoker off and on. It's got Bluetooth as well if you don't have Wi-Fi. So this is going to be an absolute game changer for me. I've got 2 kids, so to be able to set it and forget it and not have to worry about temperature fluctuations or putting another log on the fire is going to be amazing. So I'm going to be able to do overnight cooks. I'm going to be able to get up in the morning, put something on and just not have to worry about it. So it's going to be pretty special. So this is just about up to our target temperature. So we'll get the pork belly on. Alright, so we're up to our target temperature. You can hear that the fan's just slowed itself right down as it's come up to our 450 degrees Fahrenheit target. So I've left this pork belly uncovered in the fridge overnight. We've scored it, and then this morning we've just salted it and oiled it. So we'll see if we can get the perfect crackling in the Masterbuilt. So I'll open it up, and we'll have a look at the inside quickly, and then we'll just let it do its thing. So as you can see, you've got a rack there. You can drop the racks down to slot in there as well. And you got your cooking grate here. We'll put the pork belly on. Hopefully it'll take about an hour. So we'll close the lid and we'll come back. Right, so it's been about half an hour, 40 minutes now, and it's been holding perfectly at around that 450 mark where we've set it. You can hear that fan speed up and slow down as it goes under or over its target temperature. So I really want to build that crackling up now, so I'm going to crank it up to 600 and see how it goes. So you can hear that fan cranking now. So it's going to push heaps of air into that hopper. and really fire up them briquettes. So let it come up to 600, should only take a few minutes. That crackling should come up nicely, and then we'll see how it goes. Alright, so we are done. Took about an hour, which is what we expected. So after that 40-minute mark, we cranked it up to 600, and that crackling came up perfect. So let's cut it open and see how it goes. Alright, so we're done. Safe to say it looks amazing. We'll see how it tastes. It's incredible. Crispy crackling, crunchy crackling, nice and tender and juicy pork belly, so that's incredible. So that's the end of the video. Like I said, make sure you subscribe because we're going to be doing plenty more cooks in this thing. I can't wait to show you. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.